Hello everyone. The question given here is Angiosperms A and B shown in the figure belong to the class dash and dash respectively. The options for A and B are dicotyledonae, monocotyledonae and so on. Let's first try to understand what this cotyledon mean. This cotyledon is a structure which is developed during the embryogenesis of seed. Embryogenesis of seeds. The function that they perform is to nourish the growing embryo. Hence, they are also known as seed leaves. This cotyledon can be categorized into either monocots, cotyledon in short we write it as monocots, or it can be dicotyledon or simply dicots. The examples for monocot would be maize, which we also call as corn. For dicots, a very simple example would be sunflower, such as the gram seed, right? So you must have observed the maize seed, which looks somewhat like this, having single cotyledon, that is for monocot. For dicot seed, you will see that they will have two cotyledons like this, just as in the case of gram. Now, either for approaching this question, either you can simply look at the question and the figure that you can see here. This figure looks like a corn and this figure looks like a sunflower. So you can directly derive to an option which is, as we know that maize is a monocot, so this would be A would be monocot and B should be dicot. So A monocot and B dicot should be the option. But if the figure is not clear, there are certain features which we need to know about monocots as well as the dicots. So let's try to understand them as well. So these monocots they have only one cotyledon. Then they have, if you look at their leaves, monocots will have parallel venation. Parallel venation. What do we mean by parallel venation? Means that their leaf, suppose this is the leaf of a monocot plant such as the grass, the veins that are present will be parallelly arranged to each other like this. Okay. And there are a number of other features of monocots also, but as per this question we are going to just talk about these 2 points. And if we talk about the dicot plants, first point would be that they have two cotyledons, and they have reticulate venation. Reticulate venation. What does reticulate venation look like? So suppose this is the leaf. The reticulate venation will look like this, where it will have a network of veins running through it, somewhat like this. Okay. So you can easily see that there is a difference in venation here. And in the given figure, if you will observe carefully, the magnified part shows that this has got a parallel venation. See, the veins are parallel to each other. And here the magnified part has reticulate venation, if you can see here. Right? So on the basis of this characteristic, simply you can say that this is a monocot plant and this is a dicot plant. Hence, we can conclude that the correct option would be second one, which is A is monocot and B is dicot. Thank you.